Welcome back to the channel. As you know, Ocean to Plate, that's where it's at. Seafood all day, big adventures, big seafood. And today we're about to smash down on some, a bomb feast. We're about to mukbang it on some fried lobster, shrimp, potatoes, corn, and the sauces. It's gonna be a beautiful day. It's a Saturday, and we're about to get busy. That's what we're about to do right now. So, y'all ready?
I'm ready.
Well, this is Brittany, this is Minah, and I'm Collin, and y'all ready? Do you see this? Oh baby butter sauce. It's a lemon, cilantro, garlic, bomb diggity sauce situation right here. It makes you say, oh baby.
Ooh, I gotta say my
Ooh. Oh baby. Alright, I said it, but I really just want to sit here and just love it.
I really just want to eat the shell.
The shell too? I'm chill out. You know what's crazy? I think only a couple of years ago, the first time I ever had fried lobster. Normally I only knew you could steam it or boil it. I never even, like fried lobster is such a so expensive these days. You wouldn't think about frying it, you know, so hard, but nah.
I feel like you're gonna mess it up, but nah.
Nah, that's the way. That's the way.
It's juicy.
Amina, tell us, what is your favorite seafood?
I'm gonna have to go with lobster and raw oysters.
Oh man,
that's my favorite.
She said raw oysters. You got raw, you got fried, you got grilled. I mean, there's so many other ways, but off bucks. I mean, I don't know. Raw or fried? Which one you like better?
Raw.
Raw oysters? Really? That's interesting.
I would have to say fried.
Really?
I like them raw.
I like them raw, but I'd rather have them fried. Like a good fried oyster.
But see, I like them nasty, and that's why I like them raw too, I guess. We're number one. You gotta just slurp the jump. The slurp. We are Britt and I from Maryland. And in Maryland, it is home of the blue crab. They're known for that place, for crab cakes, for their soft shell. It's a crab that is not even over here, but the seasoning that they have over there is in combination with the crabs over there. It makes it taste so amazing. Now we got that seasoning and we bring it over here. That's what this shrimp is cooked up with. Then we added the seasoning to the lobster breading, and so now we have the essence of Maryland over here, the essence of the DMV in the bay. Now we bring the fusion situation. You see that?
I'm liking that Maryland taste.
It's better than Obey. It looked like Obey, but it ain't Obey.
Man, listen, we can throw on the wetsuit, we can hop in the kayak, we can kayak out, we can dive down, we can get into the ocean, get the actual experience. You see, this seafood is here from the store. We had to go to the ocean and get it ourselves. That is the W. That's the whole experience right there. Are you about adventure time?
Hey, I'm about it.
Are you sure?
I'm about it.
So if I got a Yazbek wetsuit and I have fins,
I might drown.
You know, no. That's the thing, you will not. That's the actual W part.
No.
The good part about this is you'll never drown, because see, you always float. The wetsuit you put it on, you'll walk in the water, and the suit just makes you float no matter what. Like, regardless of what you do, you float. We're over here smashing on seafood right now. Smashing.
Looking at the sea.
We're looking at the sea. We're looking at the San Francisco Bay. We have the Golden Gate. That's the Bay Bridge right there, right? The Bay Bridge. The Golden Gate's behind it. That's the. What's that big old tower called again?
I don't know. That's the one that has the pictures on it, though.
Yeah, at nighttime, right? Those crazy lights.
I thought, when I first saw it, I was like, because it was somebody, it was like a pole dancer. And I thought, yeah.
It looked like it, right?
Yeah.
Hold on.
I didn't know what that was.
I know
was
what you
like
mean.
on the highway, like swerving, like really trying to see.
Just going. I know what you mean.
It's distracting as hell.
It is.
She was on a pole. I'm not one, like.
It looked like wacky waving inflatable tube man on that joint one time. It looked like there was a mouse. There was a mouse running around the thing like in circles. I swear, no, that's not even a joke. I swear to you, it was a real ass. I don't know about the stripper pole thing. She might be going crazy now, but it
might have been ballet or something. But
man,
she was stretching like she was. Yeah.
Hey, look.
She did like a side split. I know that.
She did a side for sure. All right.
Yeah, she did.
The side split don't look like any other kind of split. You got to understand. That's a one type of action. It looks like
that's
one thing.
Like a hard thing to do.
Yeah, and it don't look like anything else either.
So is it real people? Is it a silhouette? Like what is going on?
I think it's just a couple light bulbs up there, and people are just fucking around. Like it's like nah, just shut up a minute. Yeah, right.
I don't know what to believe right now because I don't know what it is, but
it's probably like 100,000 LED lights up there, and it's someo's job to sit there on a computer and like and then create whatever.
Because I thought it was Windows.
Windows 95.
That's what you thought it was?
No.
People actually up there?
Yeah, like I thought it was a huge window. You never know. San Francisco got billionaires.
Man, I am not gonna lie.
I didn't know what that was.
Yeah. Last night, this dude, we came back at 1:30. This dude was like KO and like the light bulb was on, so like it was shining off his and he he's bald, so his head is like super shiny, and like all weekend we were in here, you know what I'm saying, chilling about to go to bed. We looking at him like just shiny, bald headed, snoring up in the car. He's a good dude. That's all I know.
I don't know what he be doing with these sauces, but gosh, I'm ready. I want to package them and take them home.
Listen, I gotta put my foot in it. Put my foot in the sauce, and then it has its flavor. So we gotta
foot, toes, something.
That's what my grandma saying. I said, Grandma, what you put in this junk? My foot. I said, what? What in the world? Ocean of Plate is about to be going down more and more. We're going to be diving for more seafood, bringing it back to the beach, and having more opportunity for people to come and enjoy this adventure with us and eat it with us. So, if you are not subscribed to the YouTube channel, Ocean of Plate, you're slipping right now. You're slipping hardcore because you ain't going to be able to do the adventure and you're going to be able to enjoy the seafood otherwise, you see? Now, there's 3 YouTube channels in this one video. You have to make sure you subscribe to all 3 because you see, we're a team, we're a family, we're a group. We make moves together, all right? We're going to be sharing, we're going to be spreading positive vibes together, and I want you all to be able to tap in with us. So if you're not subscribed to all 3 channels, man, I don't want to do it for real. I like this plate, but man, what's your channel name?
Minah Binah.
How you spell that?
MINAH space.
Oh.
BINAH.
Minah Binah.
Binah.
Minah Binah. Minah Binah. And what's your YouTube channel name?
Cherokee Quest.
I'm sorry? Get some water. Hold on now.
Let me get the shrimp out my throat. Cherokee Quest.
Cherokee Quest.
The meat.
That's what I'm talking about.
CQ, what it do?
CQ, what it do? What was your intro again? I was like, it threw me in a circle. I had to go back around the circle.
She didn't say dope, man.
She said we slamming doors for the horse. I was like, wait a minute. I said, wait, I gotta know it again.
She went strong.
But I wasn't the one?
No.
Okay. Yeah. So we're not slamming doors for the horse?
No, we're not doing that.
Okay. We're doing chores for the... No,
hold up. It's Minah Binah and I'm back with some more for your whore. Everybody always be talking about another for your mother. Well, this is some more for your whore.
Some more for your whore. It's a solid intro.
I wouldn't say I'm a whore, but I might be a hoe.
Well, it's just it's like bro. You know, you're not a bro. You know what I'm saying? But you're a bro. You see? Yeah. Hey, I'm a hoe. Alright, it's just you just gotta know. Right? You just know what you mean. You know what I'm saying? Don't question yourself. So what? You see what she did? She drank all the old baby butter sauce. And I was we was talking, having a conversation. We looked back, the butter sauce was empty. We said, wait a minute. That jig was
Y'all gave me too much food and not enough sauce. That's what happened.
And you see how and it wasn't intentional like that. We was trying to screw you over, you know. It was just an accident.
Y'all was just giving me a little extra.
Hey, we just trying to look out for you. That's all.
I appreciate you.
You see, I asked for extra potatoes because I'm trying to get thick for the summer. You see?
Oh, okay.
These little skinny legs and little booty gotta get thicker this summer. So we gotta do something. We gotta do something about that. Starch is good for the arch.
Okay.
That's my new intro for my YouTube channel.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know. Just from now on, that's the only thing I'm gonna be just getting there. I don't even care, no matter what it is.
I need something now. Y'all really coming with it.
Starch for the arch.
What?
It's something for the whore in the arch. What I need?
Some starch for the arch, like.
I need something. I ain't got nothing over here.
What you mean?
I'm just a hoe.
No.
I need something.
I'm a little full.
You a little full?
I'm a big fool.
I'm a big fool. Yeah, I was about to say, a little fool, but that's not the one.
I am too. I was trying to,
I tried.
This is the stopping point, and that's how you know the video's done. So, thank you so much for watching the whole thing. This is freaking amazing. Comment, like, and please subscribe. It's all about giving and receiving. We're giving right now, and if we can receive back feedback, that's how we know we're doing a good job. So thank you so much for spending this time with us. It's literally all about the positive vibes. So, thank you. My name is Collin, and my channel is Ocean of Plate.
Minah Binah.
And you are, I'm sorry?
Cherokee Quest.
And that's the end of this video. Thanks guys for watching.